Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix there is always more to watch on Facebook, which means when you try to open a video and after that you scroll it down and you will find this kind of error, which means there are no more videos to play. So how you can fix that? For this, first of all, you have to simply close the Facebook app, and after that you have to simply press and hold the app. And here the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app, and after force stopping the app you have to simply click on clear storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply open the Play Store, and here you have to search for Facebook, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Facebook app. Hope this will fix your error. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply close the app and you have to open the Facebook again, and now you can open any video and check whether it is now working or not, which means next videos are showing or not. And the videos are showing, then this will fix your error. So in this way you can fix that error without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.